Hi everyone. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you a basic comparison between PDF Filler and PDF.co web API. You can see the link of the article in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We have here a sample PDF form that we're going to use and fill out some fillable fields using PDF Filler and PDF.co. So, let's begin. First, let's fill out the PDF form using the PDF Filler. On your PDF Filler dashboard, click on the Add New button. Next, upload the PDF document. Once the document is ready to upload, click on the Start Editing button. Now, let's fill out the form. After filling up the form, click on the Done button. Now, let's fill out the form using the PDF.co web API. On your PDF.co dashboard, click on the Request Tester menu. For PDF.co API endpoint, look up for the Fill PDF Form endpoint. For input parameters, you can load the source file with a link, or input with a file. Now, let's fill out the text field. After adding the text, click on the Run Request button. Once the request was successful, click on the URL to view the output, or directly download the output file. Here's the PDF form that we successfully filled out. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.